What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the forexprogram.com YouTube channel. I'm Valentin, your host and content creator. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that every trader faces at some point: how to deal with drawdown and losing streaks. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this video will give you some valuable insights and strategies to handle these tough times. Let's get started. I just did a PowerPoint presentation on that. I'm going to quickly start that. Okay, so how to deal with drawdown and losing streaks. First off, we need to understand drawdown and losing streaks. Firstly, let's define what we mean by drawdown and losing streaks. A drawdown is a reduction in your trading account from a peak to a through measured as a percentage. Losing streaks are consecutive losses over a period of time. Both can be mentally and financially challenging. So let's talk about the psychological aspect. One of the biggest challenges during a drawdown or losing streak is the psychological impact. It can be discouraging and lead to emotional decision making. Here are a few tips to manage your mindset. Stay calm and avoid making impulsive decisions. Take a break if you need to clear your mind. Remember that drawdowns and losing streaks are a natural part of trading. The next thing I'm going to talk about are some practical strategies to manage drawdowns. Number one, risk management. Ensure you're not risking too much on any single trade. A good rule of thumb is to risk only 1 to 2% of your trading capital per trade, and that's at max. I would most likely aim for 0.5 to 1% of total risk. Number two, position sizing. Adjust your position sizes based on the current size of your account to limit the impact of losses. So before you take any trade, go to a Forex calculation page, type in how big your account is and what you want to risk and how many pips your stop loss is. And after that, it will calculate how much you can risk on that. Last point is stop loss, as I just mentioned. Use stop losses to protect your account from significant losses. Stick to your predetermined stop loss level, which is a really important thing. Now, let's talk a little bit about reviewing and adjusting your trading plan. So, during a drawdown or losing streak, it's essential to review and adjust your trading plan. Number one, analyze your trades. Look at your recent trades to identify any pattern or mistakes. Are you following your plan or are you deviating due to emotions? A good rule of thumb is to go and use a good trading journal on Notion or something in that regard. And if you take a trade, put everything in, put your emotions that you're feeling in, put your entry time in, put your entry price in, put your strategy in, whatever you want. So the thing is, if you get good at logging your trades and analyzing them after that, you can directly see, let's say, which day of the week it was, which session did you trade, which news release did occur during that time, and stuff like that. And that is really important to analyze your trades and to cut off the things that are leading to your losses. Number two, adjust your strategy. If necessary, make adjustments to your strategy based on your analysis. Sometimes market conditions change and your strategy might need tweaking. And that's the thing we are currently seeing in the currency market. What is going on around the world is really important. And in my opinion, the markets are now really different from what it was when I started out like 5 years ago. The markets did behave differently. And that is the thing. You really need to make adjustments to your trading strategy and just watch out what the markets are doing at the moment. The last point here is back to basics. Sometimes it's helpful to go back to the basics and simplify your trading approach. I can't stress this enough because for me, it's one of the most important things to really, if you think about your trading plan, what do you really need and what is it that you're looking for? In my opinion, all I need is a OTE in premium or discount to a specific time. And if you really get good at trading and if you really get a lot of experience, you definitely know what I'm talking about. Because the longer you are in the game, in my opinion, the more you're subtracting from your trading plan, because you don't need that much in your trading plan. When I started out, I had a trading plan that was like 3 or 4 pages, whatever, and I really didn't take a trade because there was so much criteria going on that I didn't come to take a trade. And that's an important thing. So going back to the basics sometimes is very helpful. Next thing, staying disciplined and focused. Staying disciplined and focused is a key to overcoming drawdowns and losing streaks. When you're on a losing streak, stick to your plan. Follow your trading plan and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Period. That is one of the major takeaways of this video. Because at the end of the day, every one of us is going to have losing streaks and every one of us is going to go through drawdown because that is part of trading. What really matters is how we are going to behave after we took that loss. How are we behaving going into the future? Are we over leveraging? Are we trying to revenge trade? Whatever. That are all emotions that are acting on you and are forcing you to do things you did not want to do in the first place. So follow your trading plan and don't let emotions drive your decisions is one of the biggest takeaways of this video. Okay? Number 2, set realistic goals. Set achievable goals for recovery and don't aim for quick wins. Recovery can take time and it's important to be patient. Okay? Because at the end of the day, if you think about getting out of your 2% drawdown in one New York session or taking 1% trade, aiming for 2R, that is not going to serve you well. Okay? In my opinion, you should aim for a few weeks to get you out of the drawdown, because if you trade and you're on a losing streak, you definitely need to decrease your risk. If you guys want to do, or if you guys want me to do another video about going through drawdown and how to trade out of it in terms of risk management, I can definitely do that. Just type in a comment about that and I'm going to do it in the future, because you need to really decrease your risk when you're on a losing streak, because if you still take your 0.5 or 1% risk, it's not going to serve you well, especially with prop firms, okay? And the last point here is continuous learning. Use this time of your drawdown, or if you're on a losing streak, as an opportunity to learn and grow. Read books, watch videos, and learn from other traders. That is a really important point, okay? And the next page is going to be about seeking support. Please don't hesitate to seek support. Whether it's through trading communities, you can join trading communities or forums where you can share experiences and get advice. That is really important to learn from the mistakes of others as well. Last point here is mentorship. Consider getting a mentor who can provide guidance and help you navigate through tough times. In my opinion, it's really important to get a good mentor and to stick to him. learn your strategy from him, and get good guidance on risk management and how to trade out of drawdown. Okay? So, dealing with drawdown and losing streaks can be really tough. But remember, every trader, and I mean every trader, goes through them. By staying disciplined, managing your risk, and continuously learning, you can navigate these challenging periods and come out stronger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, sharing your own experiences and tips for dealing with drawdowns. Don't forget to subscribe to the forexprogram.com YouTube channel for more trading tips and insights. Thanks for watching and happy trading. See you in the next video.